welcome back to my channel. Here we want to work on this problem, and we are going to convert these orthographic views into isometric view, as these views are given a first angle projection. You can see it here that this is the front elevation, this is the plan, and this is the end elevation. So what we have here, this is the lowest point T, so we need to take note of that. So so let me talk about the dimensions that we have here. For the plan, distance from here to here, as the width is 75, and for the front elevation we have the total height to be 80 millimeters. From here to here is 30, from here to here is 20, from here to here is 30, and also the length of the front elevation is also 80 millimeters. This is 30, 20, 30. So this is the front elevation. So to solve this particular problem, what we are going to do first is to construct an isometric cuboid. So that's the first thing I'm going to. Then we bring out the features. So I'm going to do that now. Together we'll do it. Then I will show you how you can put the features that we see here there. So let's start. So the first thing that we need to do here is to draw a horizontal line like this, and then we draw a line with 30 degrees set square. We draw a line in this direction, and then we also draw a line in this direction like this. Alright, so this is the lowest point X, so point T, so it is still not X. So that's the lowest point. So as I said that, so we are going to construct a cuboid here. For the cuboid, so we have the height here is, as we have it, is 80 millimeters. So we take a measurement of 80 millimeters here. So this is 80, and also the length is also 80 millimeters. So we take 80 millimeters, this is 80 millimeters, and the width, as we have in the plan, is 75 millimeters. So we have 75 here now, so this is 75 millimeters. So at this point, we are going to erect a vertical line at this point. So we draw a vertical line here at this point, and we also come to this end here. We draw a vertical line here. Alright, so I will transfer this point onto this line. Okay, so I transfer it onto this line like this, and then also so transfer it onto this line like this. So I need to make this a complete vertical line. So we also transfer. Okay, and so let me bring it down so that we can see it. So I also need to transfer this point to this end here. So we have a cuboid in place now, as you can see. So the next thing that we are going to do is for us to bring out the features. So let's start like this. So in the front elevation we have this rectangle, and we have this rectangle, but this rectangle that we have here is not a normal rectangle. So you can see this line here in the end elevation, so it's going to be slant like this. And okay, so with this rectangle here we have the plan, we have this L shape in the plan. So let's bring out this L shape in the plan with this rectangle that we have in the front elevation. So as we have that distance from here to here is 30. Okay, so and then from here to here, as we have in the end elevation, it is 25 that we have here in the end elevation. So distance from here to here is 25 millimeters. So what I will do now is that I'm going to take a measurement of 30 millimeters for the rectangle that we have in the front elevation. So this is 30 millimeters. Then I will come to this end here. So from this point, I'm going to take a measurement of 25 millimeters so that we can bring out that L shape in the plan. So here I will draw a vertical line like this. Okay, then I'm going to transfer this. I'll transfer this one to this side. Okay, then I will transfer this to this side here. Okay, and we'll try to balance this square. Okay, so we have the L shape that we have in the front elevation, sorry, in the plan as we have here. So this is the L shape, and this is the rectangle. The rectangle that we have here, this is it in the on this part as we have it in the front elevation. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do as we have here, so this line that we see here in the end elevation, so I'm going to join this point. I will connect it together with this point like this. Okay, so I'm not going to make it thick now. So let's first of all look at it in this way. So then this rectangle that we have here, as I said, that this is how it is slant. It looks like this in the plan, sorry, in the end elevation, while it looks like a rectangle in the front elevation. And also in the plan, it gives us a rectangle as we have it here. So the distance from here to here is 20. So from this point here, I will take 20 millimeters. Okay, so from this point, I will take 20 millimeters. This is 20 millimeters here. So I will also come down here and take the same 20 millimeters. So this is 20 millimeters. So I'm going to join this together, but I will not make it thick. So for a reason. So I will join this together just to make it. So join it together now. So just for you to see it. So in the front elevation, it will give us a rectangle. Also in the plan, it will give us a rectangle. So at this point, okay, now if you look at what we have here in the plan, we have a rectangle here. And in the front elevation, we also have the rectangle here. This rectangle is in the plan. The top of, there is something that we are going to draw. As I was saying, so at this point, well, this is the plan. So we have this rectangle in the plan. And if you come to the end elevation, you can see this shape, that distance from here to here, same as distance from here to here in the plan for this rectangle. So what we are going to do now, what they want us to do is that at this point here, so if we take a measurement, so from here to here is 30, as we have it from here to here is 30, also from here to here in the plan is 30 millimeters. So if I take the measurement, you see that it is 30 millimeters. As you can see here, this is 30 millimeters. So what we are going to do at this point is to draw a vertical line at this point, and we are going to form a shape that you are going to see now. So I will draw a vertical line at this point like this. Okay, now so the height from here to here, as we have it in the front elevation, is also 30 millimeters. So I will come onto this line here and take a measurement of 30 millimeters. This is 30 millimeters here. So I'm going to transfer this 30, I will transfer it to this side. Okay, so I'll transfer it here. Then I'm going to take it forward a bit, so like this. And come here also, I will take it forward to bring out that top rectangle. So this rectangle here, I need to bring it out. So distance from here to here, as we have here, is 20 millimeters. This is it. 20 millimeters from here. So I'm going to take a measurement of 20 millimeters this part here. So this is 20 millimeters. Okay. So here I will draw. So this line in this direction. I'm not going to make it thick yet. I don't. For me to get this work done, it took me time. Okay. So it's an examination question, and it's been, I think, it's GC last year 2022. I think that was the one that they did in November 2022. So I just penned this word, but today I just look at it, okay, let me try, and I was able to get it. Okay, so now the next thing that we have here, and looking at this this rectangle that we have here in the front elevation, and this is how we have it in the plan. So in the front elevation, we have it to be slant. It is slant from here to here. We have it slanting from here to here. So what we have that from here to here, for this rectangle, we have 20 millimeters, and distance from here to here is 30, that same 30 that we have from here. Okay, so what we are going to do here is that I'm going to okay, so I will take a measurement as we have it in the plan. So distance from here to here is 10 millimeters. This is what we have it here as 10 millimeters here in the end elevation. Talking about distance from this point, if I draw a vertical line here to a vertical line here, so we have it to be 10. So I'm going to take a measurement of 10 millimeters from this point. 10 millimeters from this point, so this is 10 millimeters here. So I'm going to draw a vertical line. So I draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so now, so I will take a measurement of so the height as we have here is 20. So I'm going to take a measurement of 20 millimeters. So from this point, I will take 20 millimeters up. This is 20 millimeters here. So this is 20 millimeters. So I'm going to join these together like this. So I'll join this together. So if you look at this line that we have here, so they are almost what? So they are the same. So are they? Okay. So I think, let me see. So if I draw from here to here, okay, so we have the rectangle as you can see it here. So the next thing that we are going to do is that we have another rectangle here. This rectangle that we have here. So we have it here. So, and they said that from here to here now is 20, as we have it from here to here is 20 millimeters. So this rectangle, so that is how we have it as a rectangle in the plan. So I need to draw a line from this point. Draw it like this, and also I will come to this point here and draw a line, so it may fall on the line that we have drawn before. So I'm going to take a measurement of 20 millimeters from this point. So this is 20 millimeters here. So here I will draw a vertical line, so it even coincides with this point. So then also this 20, I will transfer it. I will transfer it to this end here. So by the time I join this and this together, okay, so so they'll be at the same point. So we have it like this. Okay, so looking at what we have here, this shape is somehow funny. Okay, I have completed it. So what I just need to do now is to bring out the outlines. So I'm going to pause the video, then I will bring out the outline, and then we look at it together. So so I'll pause the video and do that right now. Alright, so this is the object. This is how it is to look. Okay, so let's look at the parts as we have in the question. So this rectangle that we have in the front elevation, this is it here, and this rectangle, so we see it like this. This is it. We have it like this here, and then so also this okay, so this rectangle here, or a square, so we have a square, so we have it here, and also this rectangle that we have here, this is it, and this rectangle that we have here, so this is it. So we have it here in the front elevation. So we have that of the front elevation complete, and then in the plan, this L shape that we have here, this is it on this surface. And then this rectangle here, this is it here. So this rectangle that we have here is for this particular rectangle. This is how it will look in the plan. It will not give us the true shape. This is what it's going to give us in the plan. And also this rectangle that we have here, we have it here. So that is for the plan. And then looking at the end elevation, so this shape as we have here, like this, as we have it like this here, and it goes like this, then it goes like this. So this is it. So we have it like this, and then it goes like this. So this short dashes line that is hidden, so this rectangle, the part of it that we do not complete here, so this part, this is the line, so it is hidden from us in the end elevation. So that's why they show it hidden here. And this shape that we have here like this, so this is it. So it goes like this. So it goes like this. So with this one, that we have here, so like this, so it is merged with it and placed around here. So that is this how we have in the figure. So every part that we have in the given views are all here. So it's as simple as I've done it here. Practice it, and when you practice it, you become a master at this the question. So you can pause the video and screenshot it. Thank you, and keep on practicing. God bless you.